Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view your own stories on Snapchat with the latest updates, you're in the right place. Snapchat's story feature lets you share moments with your friends and followers that last for 24 hours, and it's easy to check back on what you've posted. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to help you view your stories quickly and effortlessly. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your snaps and stories. Next, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled My Story or Spotlight and Snap Map. This is where your current stories and any snaps you've shared publicly on Spotlight or Snap Map are organized. Now, tap on My Story. This will open up all the snaps you've added to your story in the last 24 hours. Your story will automatically begin playing, showing you the photos and videos you've shared in chronological order. You can watch your story as many times as you like, and if you want to see who has viewed your snaps, simply swipe up on the story screen. This reveals a list of viewers so you can keep track of your audience. If you also post to Spotlight or Snap Map, scrolling to the Spotlight and Snap Map section lets you manage those snaps too. You can save or delete snaps from Spotlight or see the snaps you've shared on Snap Map. That's all there is to it. Viewing your Snapchat stories is straightforward once you know where to look. Just remember, stories disappear after 24 hours, so check them out before they're gone. Now you can easily keep up with your own stories and enjoy sharing moments with your friends on Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!